Hi friends, welcome to the TRENDRIDER channel supported by Ringo.co.in. Today we are going to the technical analysis for a particular stock. Actually, this particular stock has already been visited by me a few days ago, and at that time I told you that regarding, I mean, based on the price movement of the stock at that time, I told you that this stock is not moving anywhere unless a new change will come in the movement of the stock. We can, I mean, we cannot do any new recommendation. That's what I told you there. So today, November 1st, I'm seeing a new change in this particular stock, and then the price movement of the stock. If you see here, it just broke its price, I mean range bound movement, and it hit 363 rupees 70 paise. Earlier, I mean, it went beyond its previous peak price, which was 358. Okay, 358.40 paise. It just made a slight upward movement here. So taking this as a cue, as a signal, I want to do the I want to reconsider. I want to revisit this particular stock and do that in technical analysis right now under the new changed circumstances. And let's see actually what sort of conclusion we can derive right now regarding the long-term investment of this stock. Um, if you see here, as I told you right now, I mean you are in the month, you are watching the monthly technical chart of the stock here, and you can see the price trend history along with a few technical indicators, RSI, MACD, momentum, ADX, etc., DARWAS, etc., moving average, everything. And if you see the price trend history, you can clearly see that I have data here since 2014 June, and there is a lot of upward downward movement, and actually the stock has reached its peak in 2014 itself in June. At that time it was trading at 357. Okay, and after that it went down and just started moving sideways, and today, 1st November 2017, it crossed its previous peak and 357, and then it reached its it started trading at 363 rupees 70 paise. It's a 2014 June to 2017 November. This stock has been moving sideways. So whoever has invested in this span didn't might not have gained much. But now the question is the stock going to continue its the its price momentum, its upward price momentum further? That is the question. Now look at the indicators. If you look at the RSI here, what I mean, the way it is making a slope there, and the way it is touching the 80 line, I mean it is not that much exciting, but something is there actually. Actually the angle it is making a it is I mean it crossed the top line here, is not exciting. It is just like, it is just brushing with it, and then there is a clear sign that it will come down. I mean it will come down within the next few days. So RSI, as you already know, it indicates the relative strength index of the stock, and if it comes down like that, if it comes below the top line, then it will impact. It is clearly showing that the price, I mean the upward movement of the stock is I mean won't be that much. Now look at the MACD, but MACD is highly excited. Is giving a thumbs up position here. Actually, look at the signal line is on top of the red line, and both are diverging. And look at the histogram bars. You can see green bars populating on top of the baseline, and all are even the length and breadth of the length of the bars are also are increasing. So this MACD is in sync with the price rise here, whereas RSI is not that much. Okay, and look at the momentum. Momentum is graph is playing on top of the baseline zero line, and it is making a nice slope and looking towards the upward direction, which is in sync with the price rise here. And look at the ADX, green line and red line. Green line is on top of the red line, and both are diverging. That is a very good sign. However, the directional strength of the stock, which this black line represents, is not that much. Actually, it is going down. Okay, so it clearly indicates that the stock lacks the strength to move in the upward direction. So the all these indicators are giving different signals. Actually, MACD is quite positive, and momentum is also positive, but RSI and ADX are not that much. What so the conclusion is something like this. As for me, this stock can move upward, but lacks in strength. That's what. But lacks in strength to move in the upward direction. So as for me, to make a long-term investment, I need one more signal, one more movement from the stock, one more clue from the stock. Maybe we will get this that clue within the next few days, and that time we will decide whether this particular stock is good for long-term investment or not. But until then, it just crossed its, I mean, broke its range bound moment, range bound price moment, and made a little peak. But this particular thing is not enough. It has to go further and prove itself that it has crossed that range bound thing and started and now its direction has changed. Until the stock establishes itself in that particular position, we cannot take a decision regarding the long term investment. So I mean, you can do swing trading in this particular stock, but long term investment point of view, this is not the right time for this particular stock. So this is the conclusion. Okay, guys, if you like this analysis, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.